Made, please, your lords.
Yes.
Application for regular bail for offence under section 302, 120B, 34 IPC along with 27 Arms Act.
Yes.
Lords, petitioner is named in the FIR. Allegation is that the father of the deceased.
FIR?
Milords, मेरा नाम सुरेंद्र प्रसाद, उम्र करीब 72 वर्ष, पेशा स्वयं सो, अपना ईस्ट कॉलोनी जिला मुंगेर है। मैं आज दिनांक 4/6/2020 को समय 23:30 बजे आज ईस्ट कॉलोनी थाना के पुलिस पदाधिकारी के समक्ष सदर हॉस्पिटल मुंगेर में अपना बयान देता हूं कि आज संध्या 19 बजे के करीब मैं अपने मोहल्ले में टहल रहा था तो देखा कि गौतम शर्मा के घर के सामने मेरे पुत्र मुकेश चौरसिया डिसीज्ड, गौतम शर्मा पेशर स्वयंसो, सुमन प्रकाश पेशर स्वयंसो, दोनों साकिन नया गांव, गौतम शर्मा का दोस्त जैकी, ये पिटिशनर है, एवं विशाल उर्फ बीसो, दोनों का पिता एवं पता ना मालूम, एवं 2-3 अज्ञात युवक जो मास्क पहने थे एवं खड़े होकर आपस में बातचीत कर रहे थे। चूंकि ये लोग प्रायः रोज एक साथ रहते हैं तो मैं ध्यान नहीं दिया और अपने घर चला गया। समय करीब 20-15 बजे 3-4 फायरिंग की आवाज़ सुनाई पड़ी तो मेरा मन सशंकित हो गया एवं मैं बहू से अपने पुत्र मुकेश के बारे में पता करने को कहा। तो बहू मुकेश के मोबाइल पर फ़ोन लगाई तो लेकिन फ़ोन रिसीव नहीं हुआ। तब मेरी बहू उनके दोस्तों को फ़ोन लगाने लगी। इसी क्रम में मुझे जानकारी मिली कि मुकेश को गोली लग गई है, जिसे पुलिस इलाज हेतु सदर अस्पताल मुंगेर ले गई है। मैं अपने नाती के साथ सदर अस्पताल के लिए निकला तो देखे कि गौतम शर्मा के घर से कुछ ही दूरी पर नया गांव ठाकुरबाड़ी रोड में कुछ पुलिस खड़ी थी और सड़क पर काफ़ी खून गिरा हुआ था। मैं सदर अस्पताल पहुंचा तो पाया कि मेरे बेटे मुकेश चौरसिया की मृत्यु हो चुकी है। मुकेश को 3-4 गोली का जख्म पाया। मेरे पुत्र मुकेश चौरसिया प्लास्टिक का कारोबार करते थे एवं पूर्व में ज़मीन का भी कारोबार करते थे। लॉकडाउन की अवधि में मुकेश की दुकान का माल उनका दोस्त सुमन प्रकाश चोरी कर बेच दिया था, जिसकी कीमत करीब 4.5 लाख था। मुकेश उक्त पैसा को मांगने हेतु सुमन
we have followed. Now everybody had some motive except you. You were only his friend.
My lords.
That's right.
My lords.
So, but tell us what material has come against you.
My lords,
and what is the stage of the case and how about others?
Case has been committed to the Court of Sessions, my lords.
All right.
And the person against whom enmity has been alleged, my lords, Suman Prakash, he has been granted bail by this honorable court.
Will grant you bail. You're in custody since?
My lords, I am in custody since 9/12/2020.
Here. Heard Mr. Yes, Mr. Heard Mr.
Vibhakar Tiwari.
Heard Mr. Vibhakar Tiwari, learned advocate for the petitioner and sons of the state. The petitioner seeks bail in connection with so-and-so. The son of the informant was found dead. Shortly before his death, the informant had seen him hang around with his friends, including the petitioner. On such suspicion, namely the petitioner and others having been seen last with the deceased, the petitioner also was made accused in this case. However, from the first information report, it appears that with some of the friends, the deceased had some enmity of some kind, but nothing has been reported. Nothing has been reported which could indicate that the petitioner had that the deceased had any grudge against the petitioner or vice versa. The entire accusation against the petitioner is based on suspicion and on his last being seen with the deceased, shortly after which the deceased was found murdered. One of the accused persons of this case, with whom the deceased had enmity, which fact has been narrated in the first information report, namely Mr. Suman Prakash, has been granted bail by a bench of this court by order dated 25/12/2021, passed in criminal miscellaneous number 36570 of 2020, 36570 of 2021. The Land Council for the petitioner has submitted that but for the aforesaid evidence against him of his being present along with the deceased shortly before he was shot dead, there is no other material to connect him with the offense or any motive for him to participate in the act of killing him. Considering his period of custody, which is from 9/12/2020, and also taking into account that only charges have been framed in this case up till now, as also the nature of accusation against the petitioner, he is directed to be released 10,000 to sureties.